What we need to do is just focus on our business and who we're here to serve, okay? And nobody starts like the way Oprah is right now, right? No, she did not start like that, right? Look at back and where she began, right? And it's been inch by inch by inch. She has leveled up and she is where she is now. And inch by inch by inch, you're going to be where you want to be. But you've got to start somewhere and you have to be okay with laughing at yourself. Okay. So now I know a lot of people are a little nervous to go live. Okay. And I was nervous to go live the first time. And so I was at a vendor event. That's what it was. Okay. And I was like, man, if I could just tell people I'm here, then it's going to be okay. And my friend Ann, so she's like, you should go live and say where you are. And I'm like, well, what if I mess it up? You know what she said? Delete it. I was like, oh, it's that easy? Well, that took the pressure off of me. Just delete it. All right. Here I am. I'm at so-and-so vendor event. Come and see me. Look around. I was fabulous. Okay. So then, that's what I did going live. Now, before that, I would make videos for my team and stuff like that. Okay. And I'm going to tell you about that first video because you're going to have a first video. You're going to have videos you go back and you can't even watch because you're like, I can't believe I showed up like that. And that is a sign of growth. You want to look back and feel sick to your stomach because you're growing. Okay. So I thought, I've got to train these people. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come in my office and I'm going to turn all the lights off. But I must need some light. So I'm going to put this lamp in my front of my face. Okay. Let me show you how this video went down. I sat on a stool. And this was what my video looked like. and that's what it was. Up my nose the whole time. But I did it. And I gave them some awesome training, okay? And I look back and I thought, God, that was awful. The content was good. And you know what? If you really think about it, that was pretty smart of me to know that I needed lighting. That was pretty smart of me to think that, hey, I've got team members now. I should probably train them all at one time or have a resource. So I want you to praise yourself and pat yourself on the back too, because you're doing some things and you're not even realizing they're pretty awesome. Okay.